for the day 175. And I show this to you guys so you guys understand that you could do the same exact thing. If you have a skill that's not trading, fitness, e-commerce, drop shipping, maybe you're a detailer, whatever the skill is, you can monetize it. When you're trading funded accounts, you gotta understand that you're gonna have limitations, but it's about being aware of the limitations. As long as I grow my name, I get in front of people, I can make money. Simple as that. Patience is required. Patience for me to wait until tomorrow to trade my funded account. The reason I didn't take this trade on my funded account is because I took 2 losses. I gotta follow the rules. I'm gonna put this in the easiest way possible. The easiest way to become patient is do. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. It's a new day, new opportunity. New chance to be great, new chance to achieve our goals. If you woke up today, there's no reason that you can't improve 1% today. That's all you need to do. 1% today. That's all you need to aim for, improving 1%. I know how I'm gonna improve 1%. You know how I know? Because I structure every day in my life to where everything in my daily routine, all my daily action steps are designed to only make me better. They're designed to only put me in a better position. They're designed to only make me wake up every single day and become better at each thing that I'm working on, whether that's fitness, whether that's trading, whether that's sales, whether that's speaking, whether it's communication skills, public speaking, speaking to a camera. I'm getting better at content creation. I'm going to improve 1% a day. And that's just for me getting experience every single day. Where is experience? What I'm doing right now. What I'm about to do with the VIP Trading Network. Me showing up every day, giving value, following my process, following my plan, doing what I'm supposed to, and each aspect is only going to give me more experience. And with experience comes confidence. And with confidence, I will be able to I have more courage and be more brave to do the things I need to do because I've seen it work before. Until you experience it, until you feel it, you're not going to believe it. You got to believe it to achieve it. Once you believe it, anything's possible because now you're actually going to put the work required to get that result, if that makes sense. But we about to hop onto the VIP. We about to see what we can do today, see if we can make some money. Yesterday we did lose some money, but it's not over yet. We're more than likely going to trade our Hanko trade account today too. Here's a little fucked up. The waves are coming in now. The waves are coming in. Just wait till we actually get this next haircut before we go on this next vacation. But let me hop on the charts real quick. We got some work to do. Are we gonna see what we can do today? We're gonna see what we can do. I ain't gonna lie, it looks like we have a lot of volume already. Looks like we moved a good amount. At least on NAS. Oh, what the hell? Ew. What the hell is this? The shorts are still playing out. I don't know. Right now, off first glance, I don't really see much. This looks ugly. This don't look thorough at all. Yeah, I'm thinking maybe 18,800. Right around that 1 hour, that 4 hour gap and that 1 hour gap is probably like best case for a short case scenario. Way lower, but we'll see. We got a low reaction so far. We're up 40 bucks. All right, now I might be able to get it on my Hanko trade, matter of fact. I'm trying to take multiple trades today. I'm just trying to take one trade. That's all I'm trying to do. Low risk. That's about to be stop loss on that one. NAS is just flying. RIP. I left when I was in drawdown. The fuck happened? That's why I was just like, fuck it, bro. Look, right now I'm at TP1. Ooh. You used to vouch for this bitch. No, your NAS went crazy. That's TP1 now. At least it's not 2 L's. That's 1 L. Yeah. All right, so I hit the shit out of my computer with that. I'm not gonna lie, but I am gonna say this. We took our L day. We took our L day. We took that first trade, which ended up being an L. That was actually a first L, but that second trade I did, it was playing out perfectly, and I added a re-entry, but then price started fully reversing. My first trade got stopped out. My second one, I just stopped it at break even because it didn't make sense. So I took about a $240 loss. It's all good. I was only risking $120 per trade, so I wasn't risking a lot. I just wanted to see what the waters was like. I wanted to see if it made sense. and I just lost. It's all probabilities at the end of the day. I'm not scared to take losses. I'm not scared to win trades. I'm not scared to lose trades. I just follow the process. I'm scared to not follow the process because when I don't follow the process, that's when I do dumb shit. I overtrade, over leverage, trade something I'm not supposed to. Avoid all of that. Avoid those negative emotions. Follow the process. The process is going to keep you on the right path. I will say though, I'm done trading the funded account. I'm not going to be trading the funded account tomorrow just because the last 2 days ended up being L days, and y'all know my rule. If I take 2 days that are L's, don't trade the third. If I take 2 days that are W's, don't trade the third. Have multiple accounts. Split your money. Diversify your money. You don't got to over leverage one account when you have multiple. You can risk a little bit on here, risk a little bit on here, and you can still test the waters. And at the end of the day, just give yourself the chance to catch an opportunity. You know what I mean? You want to be opportunist. You want to take a chance. You want to take advantage of the opportunities when they present themselves. Doesn't mean that what you're doing doesn't work. It doesn't mean that your process, your system doesn't work. You simply just took a loss. There's taxes to business. You're not going to win every trade. If you could win every trade, everybody would be trading and everybody would be rich. If I could win every trade, I would be rich. If I could win every trade, I would over leverage every single trade. But this is a probability game. You're not going to win every day. You're not going to win every trade. You're not going to win every month. You're not going to win every year. You got to understand that it's probabilities. This is a probability game. Every time that I get into a trade, every time that I'm pressing buy or sell, there is a chance that I lose. There's a chance that I win. There's a chance that I hit break even. There's a chance that it doesn't move at all and I hit neither TP or stop loss. It's a probability game, but you understand the probabilities and get more confidence within these probabilities the more you trade, the more you get experience, the more you journal your trades, the more you stack small W's. Stacking those small W's only builds confidence. And a whole lot of people in VIP, YouTube comments, and in my DMs always ask questions like, how do you hold trades longer? How do I hold my trade? I have a lack of discipline when it comes to holding my trades. How do I get more confident holding my trades? How do I get more confidence building patience? I'm gonna put this in the easiest way possible. The easiest way to become patient is do nothing. I want you to let that sink in. Think about all the times that you've been in a trade, you've been out of a trade, you've been thinking about getting in or getting out of a trade. Imagine how many times you would have had a better result because you did nothing. I want you to think about that. Yes, a lot of the times you doing absolutely nothing, no movement, hands behind your back, nothing would have saved you. Trust me. Do nothing. Let your trade hit TP. Let your trade hit stop loss. Let it hit break even. Let it do what it's going to do. That's how you're going to build confidence, because when it plays out, you're only going to build confidence to let it play out again. When it takes an L, you're only going to build the confidence to start letting trades play out until stop loss or TP. Do nothing. It may seem counterintuitive, but do nothing. We back in the lab. Just got the weights. Today I'm gonna really focus on, I'm gonna try to hit a lot. I wanna hit good chest, good arms, I'm gonna hit good shoulders. I'm not gonna go too crazy on legs just because the past like 2-3 days I've been walking so much, my legs are killed. Like I've worked out legs the last 2 days and I've been walking everywhere. My legs are cooked, big cooked. Like I told you guys earlier, sometimes patience is required. Patience for me to wait until tomorrow to trade my funded account. The reason I didn't take this trade on my funded account is because I took 2 losses. I gotta follow the rules. Even if the trade was amazing, even if it looked like the perfect trade idea, it looked like the best idea in the world, it doesn't matter because the rules are in place to keep you from self-sabotaging yourself. The rules are in place to keep you from doing dumb shit. So just follow the rules. Trust me, it may be easy to take that other trade over risk to make a little bit of money, but I promise you, it's only gonna do more negative for you in the long run than positive. You wanna make sure that you're building positive habits, not negative habits. All right, not bad for a little first time doing shoulder presses with 30s. 30s wasn't bad. I could definitely probably do 40s, but I'm not trying to go crazy. The main purpose of me coming to the gym every day is not to kill myself, kill my body. That is the purpose, but not to literally kill myself to the point to where my body is in pain and I'm aching. I come every day and hit everything required enough to the point to where I feel the pump, to where I feel the workout, to where I feel swole. And then I come back the next day, because if I go to the gym every single day and I'm coming every day just killing myself, I wouldn't be able to come every day. The reason I'm able to come every day is because I'm only here for maybe 45 minutes and I hit a good, smooth, full body workout that hits everything I need. By the time I leave, I'll be feeling swole like a rock. Legs swole, arms swole, chest swole. It's a good feeling, trust me. Anybody that doesn't work out and you're looking to be an entrepreneur, start working out. It's gonna do a lot for you mentally. It's gonna do a lot for you, trust me. Don't overthink it. It's gonna do a lot. Mentally, physically, will put you on a different level. Because majority of people are out of shape. Majority of people don't want to come to the gym. How many people you see around me? Exactly. All right, right now, as you guys can see, I'm back at the apartment building. This is where I do some of the VIP sessions. Nothing crazy, but the reason I'm here is because my girlfriend she has an appointment. She has a doctor's appointment and it's right around the corner from here. So we had food and everything. So we're just kind of chilling over here. As you can see, we're just kind of chilling, parked up and everything, watching the view. We'd ate food and everything. When you're trading funded accounts, you got to understand that you're going to have limitations, but it's about being aware of the limitations. Because if you're aware of the limitations, you can still structure your trading and still structure yourself to still succeed and still win at the end of the day. All right, now she's inside getting her whatever she has to get done at the doctor's appointment. Right now, I'm just posting some content. One of the new styles of content I'm going to be trying to do is essentially, this is for all the people that don't follow me on Instagram. And for all the people that don't really care about how to grow content-wise, how to build yourself as a brand, you can skip probably the next like 2 minutes. But this is for the people that are trying to build a brand around themselves and understand content creation. I'm still testing new things. I got a little bit of followers on Instagram, but I would say I'm definitely getting way more traction on YouTube. But that doesn't mean I just stopped trying on all other platforms. Instagram is my other platform. It's my secondary platform. Right after YouTube is Instagram. I got to make sure that I'm getting in front of enough people so that they see my brand. They see VIP. They see the free course. They see the YouTube videos. Me and all my businesses, all my incomes and brands, they're all together. It's all compiled to me. As long as I grow my name, I get in front of people, I can make money. Simple as that. Whether I'm selling to them, whether I'm teaching them something, whether they're watching my videos, as long as I can get in front of people, I can leverage that attention to make money. And so can you guys. And I tell you guys how to do that all the time. But it's just about how do you get in front of the people now? And how do you do that? Content. You can either pay for content, paid ads, or run free content. I'm not paying for ads right now. And I personally won't be paying for ads until I can make it make sense, because I can make a good amount of money without paying for ads. And I personally know I haven't reached the limit when it comes to organic content. Now, there's people out there making hundreds of thousands a month organically. I'm nowhere near that. So I'm not going to start paying for ads until I have something that I know is guaranteed going to work. You know what I mean? For all the people that understand advertisement and all that, you know what I mean. But I'm testing like this style content, essentially just like posting on my story, not my stories, but essentially, I can't talk. But I'm going to be posting essentially the same videos as you guys are watching right now on YouTube. I'm going to be posting clips of them, long form, on my Instagram, such as a video like this, where you kind of see that it shows the little clip. And then if you go into it a little later, we'll have like talking and stuff. And I have a feeling that they're going to do pretty good. So far from the 3 that I've posted that way, one of them has done a pretty average views. The other one is still okay. But the ones that I posted today are those 2. So we're going to see. That's what I'm doing right now. I may be a trader, but I'm a serial entrepreneur at the end of the day. You can make a whole lot of money doing a whole lot of different things. And in my opinion, I know content and I know trading. Simple as that. So that's what I'm going to stick to. That's what I'm going to continue to go full force in, because I'm going to stick to what I'm good in. I'm not going to go do things that aren't working. I'm going to find what works for me. And once I see the results, keep going, put my foot on the gas. If I was in a Hellcat right now, I would hit this shit out. You may not even be able to hear my car because you can't hear this shit. I'm not at that level yet, but if I had the Hellcat, mang, 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 that's more like a dirt bike, but you get the idea. At the end of the day, the sky is the limit, and I'm nowhere near my potential yet. I got a whole lot of work to do. I've lost my last couple of days trading. My last 2 days have been L days, but it's okay because I've won the last 2 weeks. I'm not going to let 2 L days get in my way. It's okay. You live to trade another day. I've made money today. I lost my trades, but I made money today. That's all that matters. Just because I lost trades doesn't mean it's the end of the world. There's days that I win trades, but then I make no money in other businesses. Do I let that get to my head? No. I got to understand, and you got to understand. One day isn't the end of the world. One bad day isn't a bad life. But overall, now I'm about to show you the money that I made today outside of all the trading losses, unfortunately. Like I said, we took a $240 loss. We took a $120 loss and then a $120 loss. I averaged into that trade. The second trade got broke even, so I only took the loss of that first position, which was 120. So 240 in overall. It's all good because if you look at what I made overall with VIP sales, you see we made for the day, I'll refresh it, for the day 175, and it might go up to 200, might go up more, but it's not bad at all, not bad at all. And it is only 608. And I show this to you guys so you guys understand that you could do the same exact thing. If you're a trader, you can document your trading journey. You can teach people how to trade. I only recommend teaching people how to trade if you actually have experience, actually have results that they're gonna want. I wouldn't recommend only been trading for 4 months, even for like 2 years. In my opinion, it takes a long time to really get a grasp of trading because you gotta go through different seasons. You gotta go through whole years, election years. Election years coming up. So you're gonna see it's gonna be a little bit different this year than it's gonna be next year. And this year is different than how it was last year, but you only know until you experience it, until you go through it. So that's why it takes time. But even then, say for example, if you wanted to start documenting your journey, if you wanted to start showing your progress as a trader, but also letting them know that you're still developing and you're not at that level yet, join VIP, become an affiliate. You can have them join the team and get a percentage of it. I'll give you 50% and you'll get a percent of whatever they pay. Simple as that. You can get them to join a community and you can actively continue to improve, actively give value and change lives, continuing to document your journey while still learning the skill of trading. Because none of this that I do, none of this 175 would be here without trading. This camera, what I would be doing, wouldn't be here without trading. That's the foundation. That's the skill that I could teach. If you have a skill that's not trading, fitness, e-commerce, maybe you do something like drop shipping, maybe you're a detailer, whatever the skill is, you can monetize it. You can do the same thing. Just take whatever it is and replace that with trading. Simple as that. I made 175. I lost my trades. I made money from here. I'm going to make money from these videos. Have multiple incomes. It allows you to not stress the fact that I lost today. And what is that going to do? It's not going to make me over trade, over risk. And I'm just going to follow the process that I have in place. But when you're scrambling for money, trying to trade for money, chasing trades for money, you're never going to be thinking with a process-based mindset. Simple as that. But with that being said, if you want to learn everything that I know when it comes to trading, how to trade, what I do on a day-to-day, what I look for in the markets itself, the charts, check out the free course. It has everything you need from 0 to 100, completely free. And like I told you guys, if you want to join a community of like-minded individuals, all looking to improve, all traders, all entrepreneurs, all on the same mission of looking to improve every single day, join the VIP Trading Network, and we're growing every single day. I think we're about to be at 170 members. Yeah, we're at 169. So if we can get to 169, while I also made 175 today, it would be very nice. Even though I took the loss, I took the 2 losses on the funded and I took the 1 loss on the Hanko Trade account. On the Hanko Trade, I only risked $100. It is what it is. We're gonna be back. If you guys wanna also learn how to trade, like with the actual implementing, taking the trades and everything, just use Hanko Trade. You can use our demo account. You can use it. Link is gonna be in the description. Create a demo. Don't deposit real money yet. There's no point. If you're just learning, if you're looking to get better, don't deposit money yet. You're more than likely just gonna lose it, and just save yourself the time and save your pockets. But with that being said, stay safe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Let's have a great rest of the day, and I'm see you guys in the morning, and let's have a great rest of the week.